Hello, Nivan. Okay, so we were doing the night folk, right, Ivan?
Yeah.
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, is the screen visible?
Yeah.
Okay, so here white to play. Anything can tell?
So I know what to do. Knight
Yeah.
to h5.
Knight h5. Okay. King play to g6.
Capture the queen from queen to f6. From a knight. From the knight. From the knight.
Okay. You will capture with the knight, or will you capture with the queen?
Knight.
Okay. Now, because you captured with the knight, we cannot capture it back with the queen. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, there is a threat here, right? So let's continue from here. Yes, Nivan.
Knight d8.
Knight
g8.
g8. Okay.
Queen f6. Pawn G4.
On
G4.
okay.
Capture H4. Knight H6. Queen in G5. Queen G4. Knight F5. G4. King F2. Not G2, F2. F2.
Okay.
Queen D4. King capture E1. Queen captures G4. King D1. Queen G1. Checkmate. Okay, not the checkmate. Queen G2. B4.
पाठवायचंय का त्यांना
हम्म.
11चा इन्व्हाइट
एक मिनिट निवान जस्ट अ सेकंड या काय झालं
11चा इन्व्हाइट जिनल दोशीचा फोन होता त्याचा क्लास आहे का म्हणून
हे कोण आहे जिनल दोशी
तो द्रव्य दोषी नाही का
त्याचा 10 वाजता आहे
ओके 10 वाजता होता का
हा
तुम्ही
10
पाठवा इन्व्हाइट
बघ बरं 10च्या बॅच मध्ये आहे का ते किंवा मग त्याला 12च्या बॅचला टाकून दे मग
नाही 10च्या बॅचचा पण इन्व्हाइट नव्हतं त्याला
हो का
कोणतंच इन्व्हाइट नाही त्याच्या
अच्छा तिच्याशी बोलून घे बरं मग 12 वाजेला बॅच करू का म्हणा
12च्या बॅच
12च्या बॅचचं पाठवूनच दे तिला ऍक्च्युली नाही
डायरेक्ट
कारण तोही मोठा आहे तसा बऱ्यापैकी
B4.
बी
Queen to G3. B4. Queen B3.
Yeah, this is checkmate, correct? Because of this, because of this. Okay, good. This is good one. Okay. So what was important here? Identifying this pattern. Okay, and accordingly continuing the game. So this was good one, anyone. You identified it correctly. Let's move to the next one. Yeah, what will you play here?
Who to play?
White to play.
Okay.
Think and then tell, okay? मग तुला त्यांना अजून एक मेसेज टाकून दे ना. आय विल कॉल यू असं टाक किंवा मग तसंच टाकून दे स्टार्टिंग न्यू बॅच फ्रॉम 12 सो थॉट ऑफ इन्क्लुडिंग हिम इन दॅट बॅच असं.
तसं टाकू का? Starting new batch from today, so thought of including him in that batch.
Queen A1. No, not E1 and E3. Queen to C5. Queen G5. D4.
कोण बोलतो तू?
King H4. King H3. King G3. King F4. Queen A5. Knight D3. King E5. King D6. King D5.
Okay, you will
No,
capture
no,
this.
not King D5. Queen D5. Queen C5. Queen B5.
Ivan, are you sure?
No. Queen B6 then. Queen C5. Queen A5. Queen E5.
आवीचा फोन होता वाटतं.
ओके.
कोणाचा होता फोन?
वाटतं मॅडम म्हणून त्यांच्या मुलीसाठी क्लास करायचा त्यांनी.
किती वर्षाचा?
तिसरीला गेली.
अच्छा, म्हणजे 8 वर्षाचा.
त्यांना 12 तास जास्त सांगितलं.
ओके.
आता बघू आता आज त्यांना फी जरा जास्त वाटते पण मग म्हणजे ठीक आहे चालेल. पण मग कसं आता ओपीडी ते म्हणा मुलगी घरी आहे. तर मग मला तिचं
इन्व्हाइट पाठवून
तरी पाठवून देतो.
तसा मेसेज टाकून दे 1000
Yeah,
जमा करायला असं.
I can
ते याला
promote the
पाठवलं तसंच.
phone.
त्यांना सांगितलं तसं ओके तोच मेसेज त्याचाच टाकून
Yeah.
देतो. आधी नंबर स्टोर करून
Sir, we need to promote the H5 or not. We need to play something else.
Ideally, you should have taken the, Let's go back actually. Now you should try to promote the pawn, okay, in this situation, okay. I'll come back to the original puzzle again, but let's continue this first.
H6. King G5. D5. Move D5. King D6. King E6. King G6. King G7. King B6. King C6. King G5. King D6. No. King D4. King D4. Queen. No. D6. So D6. Not queen D6. Pawn D6. King D5. King E6. King D7.
Okay, you want to capture this?
Yeah. Not.
So be careful in such kind of situations, Nivan, okay? Because towards the end game, these kind of mistakes tend to happen, okay? Because once you lose the queen, you lost the game now. You will not be able to promote the pawn as well, okay? Let's go back.
Then king f6. King e7. Queen h5. Queen g6. Not h6, g6. Queen f7. King d8.
Invite him.
King d7. King e6.
गेम सुरू आहे का 12:40 इन्व्हाइट टाकते त्याच्यावर मेसेज 12:40 ला आहे क्लास म्हणून तीन जणांना पटेल त्यांचं
आधीच एडिट करताय ना
12:40 एडिट करणं 12:40 परत सेंड करायचं का हा
इनवाइट म्हणायचं आणि कॉपी करायचं.
King d7.
नाही ग्रुपने मम्माकडे दे.
King d7.
टेस्ट करून
पेस्ट केल्यावर बघून घ्या एकदा होत.
Yeah, king d7. Yeah, king to d7, 19. King e8. King e7. King e8. What F8? E8. King E7. King E8. No, not King D8. Pawn D7. Pawn D7, sir. King F8. King E7. King F8. King E7. Queen E6. King E8. King E7. Queen F6. King F8. D8 Pomotova Queen.
Very good. This is good.
Queen captured a queen.
Good. Now you want to checkmate or should we stop?
We can top.
Okay, let's go back. Now, what was important here? Can you identify if there is a knight fork that can be done?
No.
No. Okay. Can you look at the board position? Who is better, by the way?
White.
White, because white has 2 extra pawns, right? Now, if we can place this here, what will happen?
It will capture our queen. And then we can play
Capture.
a knight to G7.
Knight to D7, it will play somewhere like this.
This
You
is
can
a
capture.
good checkmate.
Yeah, you
I
can
got it.
capture this, then maybe you will lose this, but then you can promote this pawn easily, correct? Because the bishop is here, bishop cannot enter. I mean, this is the only place where bishop can defend, okay? But because it is blocked by its own pawn, correct? It cannot save.
But
Okay.
also, it will be a white pawn till it cannot capture. Because the knight will capture the bishop.
Yes, the knight will capture. Knight is there to protect is one thing. Another thing is because this is the only place, the destination square is black if you look at, and the bishop is white. Okay. So always remember that if the bishop is of opposite color, it is easier to promote the pawn. Okay. Now what will you play from black? Suppose this one.
Yeah.
Correct. You captured. I promoted. Now it is easy to win this game, right?
Correct.
correct? So this is what was expected actually. So identifying this, that understanding that this pawn can be easily promoted. Okay, so it is better to exchange the queen. So I sacrifice my queen first. After he captures this, I can easily do the knight fork. Okay, so identifying the sacrifice, identifying the position that we can easily promote the pawn, and then later on doing the knight fork and capturing the queen. That is what we learned from this particular puzzle. Okay, in any doubt in this, Nivan?
What doesn't exchange the queen?
What if we do not exchange the queen? In that case, you will have to keep continuing the game the way we played, right? I mean, first of all, you should support the knight so that it will not be immediately captured.
From E2, queen to E2, right?
Queen to what you said?
E2. E2.
Queen e3 check you want to say?
So it will be supported to the knight.
Yeah, but see, if you want to make the free movement of the knight, okay, you should not support it with the queen, because you need the queen to be playing around the board, right? So it is better to support with the pawn, correct? And then try to promote this pawn. That is what we can think of. But the
We cannot promote that pawn.
this pawn,
We cannot promote that pawn because it will directly it play queen to G8, then H7.
yeah, but if you have two pieces which are supporting the pawn, right, it will be helpful for us. Also, you can
Yeah, the knight can come to F6 and trouble the queen, and but
correct.
that will take
And
two move it.
right,
Yeah.
and another thing, when you push this pawn here, okay, we are not only supporting the knight but also stopping this pawn from coming forward. Okay, now when you stop this pawn here itself, the bishop is already blocked. Okay, bishop cannot come into the play unless and until it either comes here and then tries to attack from this side, or comes here. Okay, but then again it is blocked by the queen, correct?
But the queen will move quickly, but
Right,
it can go.
yeah,
It
but
cannot be
yes,
blocked.
but the easiest solution is this one. You sacrifice this. Okay, now he has no choice because the queen is pinned. Okay, is there a choice?
He tried to not capture a queen. He knows we will capture a queen.
No, but
Like that, like that.
he doesn't have choice, right? Because it is pinned. Can he move the queen anywhere? Otherwise,
Yes,
there will
to
be check, right?
C6 or D6.
C6 or D6. D6, there is no support, right? So obviously, he will not give free. C6, he cannot come because the knight will capture. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so that's the crux of this puzzle. Okay, so we will stop here today. Yeah, we will continue with the new learning tomorrow. Yeah, bye bye, Nivan. Enjoy.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.